You don't need expensive machines to build clean, professional projects. Sometimes, the smartest upgrades cost less than a dinner. On TechVerse, we've found 30 woodworking tools under $50 that quietly solve the biggest workshop frustrations. Watch closely, because every single tool you see here has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and missing one might cost you time, accuracy, and a lot of effort on your next build. Setup blocks height gauge set. Setting blade or bit height by eye often leads to small errors that show up later in the cut. The setup blocks height gauge set removes that guesswork with precisely machined blocks in different sizes. You simply place the required block under your blade or router bit to match the exact height. The clear markings make selection quick, and stacking blocks allows fine adjustments. It's a simple system that ensures consistent, accurate setups every time you work. Mini 3D Multiangle. Transferring layout lines across edges can be tricky when a standard square does not sit perfectly on corners. The Mini 3D Multiangle is designed to wrap around the edge of a board, allowing you to mark continuous 90 or 45 lines with accuracy. Its solid construction keeps it stable, and built-in guides help with common joinery layouts like dovetails. Compact enough to carry in your pocket, it becomes a reliable tool for precise marking throughout the project. WETOLS Corner Clamp. Holding two boards at a perfect 90-degree angle while fastening can feel like a balancing act, especially when working alone. The WETOLS Corner Clamp locks pieces securely in position, freeing both hands for drilling or screwing. Its adjustable jaws accommodate different thicknesses, and the solid construction maintains alignment during assembly. Whether building frames or cabinets, it keeps corners square without constant adjustment. It's a simple tool that makes assembly cleaner, faster, and far more controlled. Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set. Starting detailed joinery without reliable chisels can slow progress and affect accuracy. The Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set provides common sizes suitable for tasks like cleaning hinge mortises or trimming joints. The blades are made from chrome vanadium steel for durability, and the handles are designed to withstand mallet strikes. With proper sharpening, they deliver clean cuts for everyday woodworking. It's a practical entry-level set that helps you handle essential chiseling tasks with confidence. Mini Wood Planer. Finishing small edges or trimming excess material often feels awkward with larger tools. The Mini Wood Planer is designed for those fine adjustments, fitting comfortably in your hand for controlled, precise cuts. It works well for tasks like flushing edge banding or softening sharp corners. The compact size gives better feedback during use, helping you guide each pass accurately. It's a simple, hands-on tool that delivers clean results without noise, dust, or complicated setup. RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw. When clean, precise cuts matter, pushing a traditional saw can feel less controlled, especially on fine joinery. The RUITOOL Japanese Hand Saw uses a pull-stroke design that keeps the blade in tension, allowing thinner cuts with better accuracy. Its double-sided blade offers fine teeth for crosscuts and more aggressive teeth for ripping. This makes it versatile for different tasks without switching tools. It's a reliable option for smooth, controlled cutting with minimal effort. Thin Rip Jig. Cutting thin, consistent strips on a table saw can be risky when the offcut gets trapped between the blade and fence. The thin Rip Jig solves this by guiding the workpiece from the miter slot, keeping the cut piece safely away from the blade. You set your final width once, and every strip comes out identical. The bearing maintains smooth contact during the cut. It's a practical jig that improves both safety and accuracy for repeatable thin cuts. BeaverCraft Wood Carving Kit. Getting started with wood carving can feel overwhelming without the right tools. The BeaverCraft Wood Carving Kit provides a complete beginner-friendly setup with a sloyd knife for shaping, a detail knife for fine work, and a hook knife for carving curves. It also includes basswood blocks and sharpening essentials to maintain edge quality. Everything is designed for controlled, safe carving. It's a practical kit that lets you begin carving projects immediately with confidence. Milescraft 8408 Center Finder. Marking the exact center of a board can take time when you rely on measuring and dividing each edge. The Milescraft 8408 Center Finder simplifies this by aligning itself on both sides of the workpiece and guiding your pencil directly to the center. You slide it along the edge, and it creates a perfectly centered line in one motion. It also includes additional offset guides for layout work. It's a simple tool that saves time and improves marking accuracy instantly. Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler. Laying out precise lines with a pencil can introduce small errors that affect joinery fit. The Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler improves accuracy by using fine guide holes that position a mechanical pencil exactly at the measurement point. As you slide it along the edge, it creates a clean, consistent line without guesswork. The thin metal design stays stable during use. It's a practical tool for achieving precise layout work where accuracy truly matters. Hultafors Tools 390293U Chisel. Some jobs demand a tool that can handle heavy impact without worrying about damage. The Hultafors Tools 390293U Chisel is built for rough work like removing old material or cutting deep into thick timber. Its thick forged blade is designed to withstand repeated hammering while the handle absorbs shock during use. It is not meant for fine detailing, but for controlled force when needed. It's a dependable choice for tough tasks where durability matters most. Rocaris 32-pack Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tools. Driving screws cleanly into wood often requires multiple steps to avoid splitting or uneven finishes. The Rocaris 32-pack Woodworking Chamfer Drilling Tools combines countersink bits, plug cutters, and stop collars into one kit. This allows you to drill pilot holes, create recessed screw seats, and control depth with consistency. It's especially useful when you want screws to sit flush or be hidden with plugs. It's a practical set that improves both the strength and appearance of your joinery. SUIZAN Dozuki Dovetail Saw. Cutting dovetails by hand demands accuracy, and even slight blade flex can ruin the fit. The SUIZAN Dozuki Dovetail Saw uses a rigid spine to support a very thin blade, allowing straight, controlled cuts with minimal material removal. The pull stroke action improves precision and reduces effort during use. It's ideal for fine joinery where clean edges matter. This saw helps you achieve tight fitting joints with a level of control that's difficult to match with standard saws. AIZMOZIA Wood Carving Kit. Moving beyond basic carving often requires more control over shapes and detail. The AIZMOZIA Wood Carving Kit includes a range of palm gouges along with carving knives, allowing you to create curves, textures, and deeper cuts in wood. The compact handles provide better control for detailed work, and the included sharpening tools help maintain edge performance. It's a well-rounded kit for developing carving skills and handling more complex designs with consistency. Cabinet Hardware Jig. Installing cabinet handles across multiple doors can quickly lead to uneven spacing if each hole is measured separately. The Cabinet Hardware Jig simplifies this by using adjustable guides and hardened drill sleeves to keep every hole in the exact same position. You set it once, then repeat the process without remeasuring. It works with a standard drill and maintains consistent alignment. It's a practical tool that saves time and ensures clean, professional hardware installation. Saker 4 Infern Drilling Positioning Ruler. Drilling evenly spaced holes for shelves or hardware can be time-consuming when measured one by one. The Saker 4 Infern Drilling Positioning Ruler simplifies this by acting as a guide with pre-aligned hole spacing for consistent results. You align it once, and it keeps every hole level and evenly positioned. Its adjustable design also supports hinge and drawer slide placement. It's a practical layout tool that improves accuracy and saves time on repetitive drilling tasks. Woodworking Hand Planer. Smoothing rough surfaces or removing milling marks can take time with sanding alone. The Woodworking Hand Planer provides a more controlled approach by shaving thin layers of wood for a clean finish. Its solid body keeps the cut stable, while the adjustable blade allows fine-tuning for different tasks. With proper setup, it produces smooth surfaces with minimal effort. It's a practical tool that helps achieve refined results without relying entirely on power tools. Saker Chamfer Plane Woodworking Edge Corner Tool. Sharp edges on finished pieces can feel rough and are prone to damage over time. The Saker Chamfer Plane is designed to create clean, consistent bevels along edges with a simple hand-guided motion. Its adjustable depth lets you control the size of the chamfer, while the compact design improves handling on smaller parts. It produces smooth results without the noise of a router. It's a practical tool for adding a refined, professional edge to your work. Digital Angle Finder Protractor. Measuring and transferring angles manually can lead to small errors that affect your final cuts. The Digital Angle Finder Protractor simplifies this by displaying exact angle readings on an LCD screen as you open or close its arms. You can lock the measurement and transfer it directly to your saw for accurate cuts. It's especially useful for trim work and irregular angles. It's a practical tool that replaces guesswork with precise, repeatable measurements. Clarke Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge. Marking a consistent line parallel to an edge is critical for tight-fitting joinery, and pencils often leave thick, imprecise lines. The Clarke Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge uses a hardened steel wheel to score a fine, clean line instead of scratching fibers. Its solid body and micro-adjustment allow precise positioning for exact measurements. The scored line also guides chisels more accurately. It's a reliable tool that improves layout precision and directly enhances the quality of your joinery. Pocket Hole Jig 14 PCs Kit. Joining wood pieces quickly can be challenging when you need strong joints without complex setups. The Pocket Hole Jig 14 PCs Kit simplifies this by guiding a stepped drill bit at the correct angle to create pocket holes for screws. It includes drill guides, a stop collar, and driver bits for consistent results. You can assemble frames, cabinets, and panels with minimal effort. It's a practical and affordable solution for creating strong, reliable joints in everyday woodworking projects. Saker Contour Gauge 10-inch Profile Tool. Fitting wood around uneven surfaces can waste time when you rely on trial and error. The Saker Contour Gauge captures the exact shape of irregular edges using adjustable pins that conform to the surface. Once locked, the profile stays fixed while you transfer it to your workpiece. This helps achieve precise cuts on the first attempt. It's a practical tool that simplifies complex fitting tasks and reduces material waste significantly. KERYE Japanese Pull Saw 9.5 eek. Breaking down boards or making quick cuts often feels slow with bulky power tools. The KERYE Japanese Pull Saw offers a lightweight alternative with a pull stroke design that improves control and reduces effort. Its double-sided blade provides both rip and crosscut teeth, allowing versatility without switching tools. The longer blade supports smoother, more efficient strokes. It's a practical hand tool for clean, controlled cuts when speed and precision are both important. Adjustable drill milling dowel round rod tool. Sometimes you need dowels in a specific size or wood type that you simply cannot find ready-made. The adjustable drill milling dowel round rod tool lets you create your own by shaping square stock into perfectly round dowels using a drill. Its adjustable cutting system allows you to control the diameter precisely. This gives you flexibility for custom projects and matching materials. It's a practical tool for woodworkers who prefer complete control over their components. Saker 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Jig. Cutting straight grooves or perfect circles with a router usually requires multiple jigs and careful setup. The Saker 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Jig simplifies this by combining straight line guides and circle cutting capability into one tool. Its adjustable design helps you control dimensions accurately, while the solid construction keeps the router stable during cuts. It works well for dados, slots, and circular shapes. It's a practical jig that expands what your router can do with consistent results. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool. Fitting cabinets or panels against uneven walls often leads to gaps that ruin the final look. The Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool helps transfer the exact wall contour onto your workpiece by tracing the surface while marking a parallel line. Its adjustable design allows different spacing widths, and it can also function as a marking gauge. This makes it useful across multiple layout tasks. It's a practical tool for achieving tight, accurate fits without repeated trial and error. Milescraft 1600 TriGrips. Applying finish to a project can be messy when the piece sits flat on the surface. The Milescraft 1600 TriGrips lift your workpiece slightly, allowing access to edges and corners without smudging. Their non-slip surfaces keep both the project and the support stable during use. You can also flip them to use the pointed tips, minimizing contact with freshly finished surfaces. It's a simple accessory that makes finishing cleaner and more efficient. 90-degree clamp. Assembling frames or cabinets can quickly lose accuracy when corners shift during fastening. The 90-degree clamp is designed to hold two workpieces at a perfect right angle, keeping everything aligned while you drill or glue. Its solid construction applies even pressure across the joint, reducing movement during assembly. This makes it easier to achieve clean, square corners without constant adjustment. It's a practical tool for improving accuracy and consistency in box and frame projects. Newdeli tongue and groove router bit set. Joining boards edge to edge can be tricky when alignment and strength both matter. The Newdeli tongue and groove router bit set simplifies this by creating matching profiles that lock boards together securely. One bit cuts the groove while the other forms the tongue, ensuring a precise fit. The carbide cutters provide clean edges and durability. It's a practical solution for building panels, tabletops, and cabinet sides with strong aligned joints. Chamfer plane for wood. Sharp edges on furniture can feel unfinished and are more likely to chip over time. The chamfer plane for wood is designed to create clean, consistent edge profiles with simple hand control. It allows you to form chamfers or other edge details using interchangeable cutters, giving flexibility for different finishes. The compact design improves handling on smaller parts. It's a practical tool that adds a refined, professional touch to your woodworking projects. That brings us to the end of this list of 30 smart and affordable woodworking tools that can genuinely improve your workflow without stretching your budget. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more practical tools and tech insights that actually make your work easier.